All right, good evening, everyone. Thought I'd do a little quick video update here this evening for our area. This is the front page of the Decision Support Services packet on our webpage and what was emailed out earlier. We've got a whole host of products out right now and a lot of things to talk about, so we'll run through them pretty quick. We do have a red flag warning in effect for the next hour and through 8 p.m., and then it'll drop off. Have had a few hotspots on satellite. Getting a little harder to see now, though, with the cloud cover moving over. We also have a wind advisory in effect for a portion of the region from the KC Metro to Highway 65 and south. That runs through 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. We've had gusts anywhere from 30 to 40 miles per hour here this evening out of the south. As we get into tomorrow, we end up with a high wind warning actually in effect from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. for the KC Metro area to Kirksville and areas to the north. Everywhere south there, we'll have a wind advisory in effect for the same time frame. We could easily see northwest winds gust 50 to 60 miles per hour by the afternoon. Winds will actually start out tomorrow morning out of the south-southwest and then shift to the west-northwest through midday as we get through the day. Then we have precipitation start to move in. We have some rain starting to move in across parts and portions of the area through midday, and then transition over maybe a rain-snow mix through the evening and maybe some snow overnight. We also have a winter weather advisory in effect right now for the far northwest corner of Missouri. We might have to expand that depending on how things shape up tomorrow, more than likely along the Missouri-Iowa border. Let's talk about winds real quick here. This is 8 p.m. right now. I'll give you an idea of the winds. Are pretty strong out of the south. These are wind gusts, So wind gusts anywhere from 30 to 40 miles per hour across the area. Winds will continue overnight, maybe getting a little bit breezy towards 2 to 3 in the morning, around 4 a.m. And then you can actually see the semblance of the low pressure center there moving along the Nebraska-Kansas border and across northwest Missouri and northeast Kansas towards daybreak. So we'll see that wind shift from the south to the west and the northwest, and then those very strong winds from the northwest come through the evening hours. This is 5 p.m. on Wednesday, and as we make our way towards 10 p.m. So fairly windy, very windy actually, with that high wind warning for the northern part of the state, including parts of the KC metro area as well. With respect to precipitation, we'll see overnight maybe some light rain start to move into portions of southeast Nebraska and northeast Kansas, maybe to northwest Missouri by daybreak. And then the blue shaded area is actually the probability of snow. So you get a bit of a rain-snow mix. This is 10 a.m. on Wednesday, 11 a.m. on Wednesday. And you can kind of see this, the better chance for snow is up here in the north. And of course, with those strong northwesterly winds accompanying this, we might have limited visibility. There are blizzard warning in effect for parts of Nebraska right now. So blowing snow is going to be a huge concern on the backside of the system. So it might be really low snow. Amounts are going to be less than an inch for most folks, maybe close to an inch up in the north. But I think for the most part, if you're down towards the KC metro area or the Missouri River Valley, you're talking about maybe a dusting. But again, that's that rain-snow mix to start. This is 3 p.m., kind of a rain-snow mix. Temperatures will still be about freezing, and then some snow tapering off and ending through 10 to midnight to the east. So temperature-wise, overnight tonight, this is 4 a.m. on tomorrow morning, 4 a.m. tonight. So temperatures will actually peak through the early morning hours, and then they will steadily drop off through the day. So our high temperatures will actually be early this morning, and then we'll get cooler as we get through the day. We'll stop here at 5 p.m. Temperatures around 35, 36 for the KC metro area. 33, 34, just around freezing for northwest Missouri. So again, that snow that might be falling, it's probably going to struggle to stick at first. But as we get through the overnight hours, maybe you start to see us drop below or near freezing for parts of the area, and then continuing on through early Thursday morning as temperatures finally drop below freezing. But of course, by then, this is 4 a.m. on Thursday, the snow is pushed off, and whatever remaining precipitation has pushed off to the east of us. That's all I got. I just wanted to share this quick little video update with everyone. Have a great evening. Stay safe out there, and we'll provide updates as we move through this system.